What are the 3 PLR sites that I love? And once in a while I change them around. I'm not married to them, but the first one, I use it all the time. The second one, most of the time. And the third one, I love it. I'll show you what they are. All the links are under this video. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And this month, when you click on the link below this video, when you get to this page, get your free Ultimate PLR Checklist and this month's bonus, the Beginner's Guide to Promoting Your First Product and Start Making Money Too. Get both of these, get on the list, and find out how to make money with that PLR that's sitting on your computer now. And get that checklist and this month's bonus. Even if you're on my email list, do it again, and you won't double up your email, but you'll get the bonuses and everything. So get in the system. Get on my email list if you haven't. Get your stuff and get ready. So the first one is plr.me, plr.me. I love this website. And if you use my link below this video, you get 10 free credits. Now, what does that mean? This is a credit system. So you pay a few bucks and you get some credits. Let's say it's 20 credits, 100 credits, and you can use them up. So you get 10 credits for free, which is worth money. And one of my subscribers here, she's on my email list. She just emailed me the other day and said, I'm making a product out of the 10 credits that I got from you for free. So she's made a product out of PLR from plr.me from the free 10 credits. By using my link, when she sells the PLR, she'll make money out of nothing. Money out of nothing, because it's free, using my link below this video. So what is this place like? It's one of my favorite places to visit, PLR-wise. And look at this, almost 17,000 brandable coaching resources. So what does that mean? These are just some of the categories. You just pick one. So let's go into stress management. These days, a lot of people are stressed out. Let's say you just want to get a product. And I'll show you, let's look at, and this is like 1 credit. So you can, look, you can get a couple of these and you bundle them together and it'll cost you nothing. It's because you have 10 credits. This is one for 10 credits. All right, so let's click on that and see what it looks like. 5 top tips to reduce stress at home. Who doesn't need that? So what do you get? You get all of this, articles, video trainings, live events, everything. Tips and tricks, everything that you need. For 10 credits, you get all that. Let's see what it looks like. And since I use Pages, it's pretty. So you would go in there, noodle around, change the text, put your name on it, maybe a logo. You're all set. You get the docs, PDFs, everything. Let's look at articles. Wow, look at all these articles. You get 40 of them. So, open this up. Neat. Can you make emails out of this? Yes. Posts on Facebook or Instagram, Pinterest? Yes. Can you make a product out of this? I'm sure. This is easy. And this is why I love plr.me. Now, to show you what a bundle looks like. So let's say I go to the stress management bundle. So it's 35 credits. So you get 48 different products in the bundle. This is what you get. Articles. Aren't they pretty? Beautiful. Affirmations. And you get all the graphics, guides, handouts, lead magnets, everything. So how much are credits? So you get 10 credits when you click on that link below this video. If you pay as you go, you just fill in the blank and this number changes. So the credits don't expire and you just pay it one time and you're done. So let's say you just wanted 35 credits. You would fill that in, order it, and you got it. So if you have a monthly plan, it's $99 a month. An annual plan, which is what I do, it's a lot of credits. You get a lot. You probably don't need the bigger plans, so you can use the pay-as-you-go. So that's the plr.me. Get the 10 credits for free by clicking on the link below this video. Next, the other one I talk about is Tools for Motivation. Now, this is a different type of PLR. It's all about motivation, obviously. So when you get to this page, get on their email list, and again, start noodling around. So let's go to the store. And let's pick something like full product. Procrastination. We never have any problems with that, do we? Look at these. I have this one. I believe I have this. I think I also have that one. But let's take a look at that. Defeating procrastination. So for $13, it's not credits, so you buy it and it's just that. You get tips, steps, books, e-cover, slide deck, images. You get a lot for $13. You also get free training on how to do this. You can get a course. There are bundles. They're a little bit more expensive, but you could do a lot more with it. So let's look at, let's see, overcome shyness. Believe it or not, that's really big. You get blog posts, audios, reports, slide decks. Yeah, you get a lot for $47. So that's Tools for Motivation. There's a link below this video. When you get to this page, put your email, because every week you'll get an email and you could get a lot of PLR for free or almost free. I love Tools for Motivation. Next, the eKit Hub. There's a link below this video. With that link, you'll go to this page and you're going to get for free this free list building class and fill in the blanks templates. This is from Alice and Youssef. Alice Seba, I've known her for probably as long as I've been on the internet. She's one of my favorite people online. Get this, it's free, free, free. You get all this. You click on that. See? Totally free. Free, free. When you click on that link below this video. Again, noodle around. They have free classes, free samples, e-kits. E-kits are really amazing. These are done for you PLR kits. They're gigantic. Look at this. Look at all of that. Here's a mega pack. How much is that? Look at all that you get. Keeps going. Going, going, going. $37. $37 for all of this. All of this. $37. You get your money's worth. I'm telling you. Look at all this. This is what you get. $37. So the eKit Hub, click on that link below this video. You'll get to this page. Click on that button. Free. Totally free. It's $47 worth of value. So that's it, kids. So click on those links below this video. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.